Audio Review, Building Laws, Code Standards Part 4. Maximum height between landings for fire escape for existing stairs is 3.66. Maximum height between landings for fire escape for existing stairs is 3.66. Class of fire involving ordinary combustible materials, such as wood, papers, cloth, rubber, and plastics, is Class A. Class of fire involving ordinary combustible materials, such as wood, papers, cloth, rubber, and plastics, is Class A. The class of fire with flammable liquid and gases is Class B. The class of fire with flammable liquid and gases is Class B. Fires which involve energized electrical equipment where the electrical non-conductivity of the extinguishing media is of importance is Class C. Fires which involve energized electrical equipment where the electrical non-conductivity of the extinguishing media is of importance is Class C. Class of fire involving combustible metals, such as magnesium, sodium, potassium, and other similar materials, is Class D. Class of fire involving combustible metals, such as magnesium, sodium, potassium, and other similar materials, is Class D. Fires involving cooking oils and fats, typically found in kitchens, is Class K. Fires involving cooking oils and fats, typically found in kitchens, is Class K. In standard seating, the minimum spacing from back to back is 0.83 meters. In standard seating, the minimum spacing from back to back is 0.83 meters. Minimum space from the back of chair to the front of the chair behind is 30 centimeters. Minimum space from the back of chair to the front of the chair behind is 30 centimeters. Minimum dimension of a rescue window for educational occupancies is 55 centimeters. Minimum dimension of a rescue window for educational occupancies is 55 centimeters. Maximum height from the floor for a rescue window for educational occupancies is 82 centimeters. Maximum height from the floor for a rescue window for educational occupancies is 82 centimeters. Minimum number of stories of apartment buildings requiring fire alarm system is 3. Minimum number of stories of apartment buildings requiring fire alarm system is 3. Minimum number of apartment units requiring fire alarm system is 12. Minimum number of apartment units requiring fire alarm system is 12. Materials easily set on fire are called combustible, flammable, or inflammable. Materials easily set on fire are called combustible, flammable, or inflammable. Device installed inside an air duct which automatically closes to restrict smoke or fire is called damper. Device installed inside an air duct which automatically closes to restrict smoke or fire is called damper. Building unsafe in case of fire is a fire trap. Building unsafe in case of fire is a fire trap. Visual or audible signal, device, or system warns the occupants or fire-fighting elements of danger of fire is a fire alarm. Visual or audible signal, device, or system warns the occupants or fire-fighting elements of danger of fire is a fire alarm. Condition which increase probability of fire is fire hazard. Condition which increase probability of fire is fire hazard. Portion of road or public way kept unobstructed for firefighting units is fire lane. Portion of road or public way kept unobstructed for firefighting units is fire lane. Minimum temperature a material gives off vapor to form ignition is flashpoint. Minimum temperature a material gives off vapor to form ignition is flashpoint. Integrated network of hydraulically designed piping with outlets which automatically discharges water when activated by heat is a sprinkler system. Integrated network of hydraulically designed piping with outlets which automatically discharges water when activated by heat is a sprinkler system. Vertical pipes to which fire hoses can be attached on each floor. Includes system where water is made available to outlets as needed is a standpipe system. Vertical pipes to which fire hoses can be attached on each floor. Includes system where water is made available to outlets as needed is a standpipe system. Vertical space or passage extending from floor to floor, base to top of the building, is a vertical shaft. Vertical space or passage extending from floor to floor, base to top of the building, is a vertical shaft. Integrated system of underground or overhead piping, connected to extinguishing agent actuated by automatic detecting device to suppress fire, is an automatic fire suppression system. Integrated system of underground or overhead piping, connected to extinguishing agent actuated by automatic detecting device to suppress fire, is an automatic fire suppression system. Pipeline system filled with water and connected to a constant water supply for the use of fire service and occupants of the building solely for suppression purposes is a combination standpipe. Pipeline system filled with water and connected to a constant water supply for the use of fire service and occupants of the building solely for suppression purposes is a combination standpipe.
Thank you for watching and listening.